Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. First of all, I tell you about myself. So my name is Rahul Kumar Mandal, a physics educator, and I completed BTech in Mechanical Engineering from NIT Jamshedpur. And today I will teach you a very important topic, that name is two-block problem. Okay, so this topic will come under the chapter of class 11, that is friction. And this is a very important topic because in every year questions will ask from this topic in JEE or NEET examination. Okay, so let's start. So here in this figure you can see that this is a ground. Okay, suppose we take this is a smooth ground, and if this is a smooth ground, then coefficient of friction of this ground will be 0. Okay, and above this ground a yellow block is placed, and mass of that block we will take 10 kg. Okay, and above this block a blue block is placed, and mass of that block is suppose 5 kg. Okay, and the interface between this blue block and this yellow block is and coefficient of friction is 0.5 between the interface of these two blocks. Okay, so what is the question asked in these problems? So question is asked, suppose we will apply a force. Okay, suppose we will apply a force on this 5 kg block. This force is F, and the question is asked that what is the maximum force? What is the maximum force F applied? What is the maximum force F applied one block of mass 5 kg, one block of mass 5 kg, such that both block will move together, So this is a question, this is a general question asked in that type of problem. Okay, so let's see how can you resolve this question. Okay, suppose this F force applied on this block of mass 5 kg in right direction, then what will happen? Then friction force will apply. Okay, then friction force will apply on this 5 kg block in left forward direction. Okay, and if friction force is applied on upper block at left direction, then same amount of friction force will apply this 10 kg block in right direction. Okay, now we can draw free body diagram FBD of these two blocks. Okay, so let's draw. This is the yellow block. This is yellow block of mass 10 kg, and this block only friction force act in rightward direction. Only friction force, that is suppose a small f. Okay, ground will not act any friction force. Why? Because ground is smooth. So ground is smooth, so it doesn't act any friction force. Okay, and if we see block of mass 5 kg, then we notice that in this block two force act. One is force F, which is applied by us. Okay, and another is friction force, which is at leftward direction. Okay, now we apply Newton laws, and if you apply Newton's second law in 5 kg block, then what you will see? Okay, if both blocks move together, then the acceleration of both blocks is common. Suppose we will take acceleration of both blocks is A. Okay, this is the common acceleration of both blocks. Why? Because both blocks will move together. Okay, if you apply second law in 5 kg block, then you will see that F minus friction force is equal to mass into acceleration, and this is the first equation. and we apply second law in the 10 kg block, then you will see friction force, only friction force applied. Okay, so this F is equal to 10A, 10A mass into acceleration. Okay, so this is the second equation. Now we solve this both equation. You will get F minus, we will put friction force F is equal to 10A in this equation. So this is 10A and this is the weight. Here you can get the value of A. What is the value of A? In this equation, the value of A is F upon 10. And we will put the value of A in this equation. You will get F minus F is equal to 5 multiply small f upon 10. This is 2 times. Okay. So from here we will get F minus F is equal to F plus F upon 2, and that is equal to F is equal to 3F upon 2. So this is the equation you will get by solving these two equations. Okay. Suppose we increase the value of force. Suppose we increase the value of force. Okay. Then what will happen? Then the value of friction force is also increases. Then the value of friction force, it means the small f value will also increases. Okay. And we know that what is the max value of friction force, and max value of friction force is limiting friction. Okay, so limiting friction, max value of friction force is limiting friction, and that limiting friction is mu multiply normal. So what is the normal here? So normal is weight of this body, this will be 50 Newton. Okay, and mu is 0.5. So max value of friction force, or we can say limiting friction value, is 0.5 multiply 50, and the value is 25 Newton. Okay, now we take max value of friction force, then we will get max value of force applied, and that will be F max is equal to 3 multiply 25 upon 2, and that is equal to F max is equal to 25 upon 2, or we can say 37.5 Newton. So this is the max applied force such that both blocks will move together, or we can say this is the max force such that the upper block does not slide over lower block. Okay, we understand? Now see, suppose we will apply force that will be less than, suppose this is the case 1. We will apply force that will be less than max applied force. Then what will happen? Okay, or you can say that will be less than 37.5 Newton. Then what will happen? Then both blocks will also move together. Okay, then also both blocks will also move together, but the acceleration of that block is less than the previous acceleration. Okay, in this case the acceleration we will got will be max acceleration, but we applied less force than max applied force, or we can say 37.5 Newton. Then the acceleration is also less. Okay, so in this case also both blocks will move together. Both blocks will move together. Okay, now we apply force, and that will be case 2, that will be greater than 37.5 Newton. Then what will happen? Then both blocks will move with different acceleration, because both blocks will not move together. Now both blocks will move with different acceleration. Both blocks will move with different acceleration. Different acceleration. And the acceleration of 10 kg block, and the acceleration of 10 kg block is if we apply force greater than 37.5 Newton, then friction force will be x same, that will be x friction force, that will be 25 Newton. Then the acceleration of 10 kg block, suppose we take A1, so A1 will be, suppose this is the 10 kg block, and 10 kg block acceleration will be A1, so that A1 will be 25 upon 10, that will be 2.5 meter per second square. But the acceleration of 5 kg block will be changed. Okay, 5 kg block will be changed. This is the force F, this is the friction force F. So now the acceleration of this will be A2, and that will be F minus 25 upon mass. You understand? Suppose we will take an example. Okay, this is the ground, this is a smooth ground, and above this smooth ground a block is placed. A block is placed of mass 10 kg, and above this block same block is placed of mass 5 kg. And now we apply force that will be greater than the maximum force applied, such that both blocks will move together, and that force is suppose F is equal to 50 Newton. Then what will happen? Then friction force will act one 5 kg block. Suppose this is a mu, same question, 0.5, and this is a smooth ground, mu is 0. Then friction force act will be max value, okay, and that will be 25 Newton, okay, and here friction force is also 25 Newton, and this is smooth ground, so here not any type of friction force will act, okay. So the acceleration of 10 kg block here will be A1, and that A1 is 25 upon 10, 2.5 meter per second square, but the acceleration of 5 kg block will be A2, and that A2 is 50 minus friction force, that will be 25 upon 5, and that is 25 upon 5, and that is a 5 meter per second square. Okay? Understand? Okay, good. Now in this same question, if we applied force one lower block, okay, in this question, in same question, if you applied force one lower block, then what will happen? Let's see. Then what will happen? If we apply force one lower block, if this is the ground, this is the block, this is the block above the ground, mass is 10 kg, ground is smooth, above the block another block is placed, mass is 5 kg, but in this question we will apply force one lower block, okay, lower block, and the same question is asked, what is the max value of force F such that both blocks will move together? Or we can say, what is the max value of force F such that lower block does not slide over upper block? Okay, then how we can solve it? If you apply force on lower block, then friction force act on lower block in right direction, okay, and on upper block friction force act will be at right direction, okay. So if we find max value of force, then max friction force will apply. We see previous question, okay. So max friction force is, F max is 25 Newton. We will check. Normal is 50 Newton, Okay, normal is 50 Newton, coefficient friction 0.5, so F max will be 25 Newton. So the max acceleration of this 5 kg block, A max will be 25 upon 5, and that will be 5 meters per second square. Okay, okay, and both block will move together. It means lower block, or we can say 10 kg block, will also move with this same acceleration. That acceleration is 5 meters per second square. So this lower block, 10 kg block, we applied force F. This is the friction force, that will be 25 Newton. So here we can see, we can write F max minus 25 is equal to 10 mass into acceleration, 10 into 5, and that will be 50 plus 25, and you will get F max is 75 Newton. 75 Newton. Okay. So in this problem, max value of force will be 25 Newton. If you applied 25 Newton, then both blocks will move together with common acceleration, and that acceleration is 5 meters per second square. What happens if you apply less than 75 Newton force? Then also both blocks will move together with same acceleration, but that acceleration will be less than 5 meters per second square. Okay, and if we apply force greater than 75 Newton, suppose we apply force will be 100 Newton, then what happens? Then both blocks will move with different acceleration, but upper block will move with same acceleration, because max friction force applied on upper block will be 25 Newton. So upper block acceleration will be 5 meters per second square, but lower block acceleration will be changed, and that will be 100 minus 25 upon 10, and that is 75 upon 10, 7.5 meters per second square. No, both block will move with different acceleration, or we can say the lower block or upper block will slide with each other.